OnePlus is expected to launch its 3 new smartphones, 2 phones and another special 5G phone. The first OnePlus phone, which usually debuts around June and July, is likely to break the covers quite proudly in April or May. Now, a Chinese tipster has leaked OnePlus 7's front panel with the display on, confirming that the OnePlus 6T successor will have full-view screen and no punch-hole camera. The image reveals OnePlus 7 will finally do away with notes or cutout on the screen. It may be recalled that OnePlus had faced a big backlash from fans after it decided to implement iPhone X's inspired notes on OnePlus 6. Later, OnePlus updated the notes on OnePlus 6T to a much smaller waterdraop design, which is seen on several premium and mid-range smartphones. According to some reports, OnePlus is experimenting with a slider design similar to Honor Magic. The slider design will allow OnePlus to use more camera modules on the front without compromising on delivering edge-to-edge screen. OnePlus 7 is most likely to run Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. It is also expected to feature a 48-megapixel camera thanks to Sony's IMX586 sensor. The ultra-fast warp charge 30, which debuted with McLaren Edition, will also become a standard charging technology on the next-generation flagship killer. According to the spokesman for the company, the OnePlus 7 will not be a 5G phone. The report claims that OnePlus 5G smartphone will instead be part of a totally new line and will be unveiled at the beginning of 2019.